the Magic Bias Euro Roulette app. First of all, you can pick and choose numbers or not use numbers. I prefer to use numbers. So when you're capturing the data from the wheel, you're picking the one spot on the wheel. 12 o'clock is the usual best position when they release the ball. In this case, we'll pick sector B. So the pocket number would be, say, number 6 at the 12 o'clock position. And we can use the number, and that's another way to do it. And then the winning number, after we count how many times number 6 goes around, in this case 4, went around 4 times, and then it landed in sector D. And sector D would be, say, pocket 31 is what it landed at the winning number. So that's how we record the spin, and we hit save. And then you can do that for a bunch of spins. You want at least 20 per FR. And if there's a different FR, of course you've got to record a different one. And hopefully you're getting enough. So the point being, you don't have to use numbers. So you can see at the bottom we've got 33 spins saved. So you can swipe over to the get lucky numbers. You can leave those sector strike rates as standard. And as you can see, FR4 is showing. So FR4 and 5, there's not enough spins. So FR4, you can hit the get lucky numbers, and it can tell you based on those strike rates what the lucky numbers are. So when you're testing in the release position A on the wheel, those are the numbers to bet on. If they release at 12 noon B, those are the numbers to bet on. If they release number C at 12 noon, those are the numbers to bet on. If they release a D, those are the numbers to bet on, and E. Okay, the heat map is a different way to play. So based on if they release it B and then bet on number C, and that's the expected strike rate. Okay, and those are the numbers to bet on. If they release at C, you'd bet on D. So it's a different way to win, different from these lucky numbers. It's an alternate heat map advantage play. So that's how the app works. Okay, of course there's help at the top of the screen. You can hit the question mark and scroll through, and I explain all of this there. And of course, saving it to a CSV file. You want to save your spins to a CSV file. So download the CSV and it saves it to that area. Then you've got to use a USB data cable, connect to your laptop or PC and transfer the file over, back it up. And then of course you can upload the spins as well, and then you can hit clear. What I find is when you hit landscape and come back, that automatically clears your spins. That's just a secret tip. So there you go, that's how you use the app. Any other questions, please contact me at rapidadvantageplay@gmail.com. And when your license expires, you have to send me a screenshot of the license so I can update it for you as well. Okay, that's it.